Hello dear students, we are studying about the relational algebra chapter in which we studied some of the unary relational operations such as select and project, their syntaxes, their examples, how they will work. Those all we saw in the previous video lectures. Yes. Now sequences of operations and rename operation. Sequences of operations, what is the meaning of this? Whatever the operation we perform one by one, first I will select this, then I may project some of the columns, then I may select some tuples. Like this we perform sequence of operations. Yes, when we perform those sequence of operations, fine, we perform some operation. For example, we select some of the tuples out of one relation called as employee, then we display some tuples. Is there any name provided for that particular new relation which is formed? No. For example, we selected some of the employees tuples whose department number is 5 and salary is greater than 25,000. Out of 9 tuples, we got selected 4 tuples. Those 4 tuples got displayed. Is there any name given for those relations there? No, only just tuples got displayed. Same way in the project operation also, if there are 7 columns in the employee relation or 7 attributes, what we say like first name, middle name, last name, age, gender, birth date, salary, D number, DNO. Like this, 7 attributes are there. Out of that, we selected 2 attributes. I mean 2 columns we selected. Yes, nothing but vertical partition we do in the project operation, whereas in select operation we do horizontal partition. By doing vertical partition, I selected 2 columns over there. Which are the 2 columns? Name, SSN. Name, SSN got displayed over there as a new relation. Is there any name given for that particular relation over there? No name given for that. Only new relation is formed and it got displayed. Now there is an option in such a way that whatever the new operation we get, we can name it. Whatever the new new relation we get as a result, that can be named with a new name. That is nothing but rename operation. Hope you got what I told. We may want to apply several relational algebra operations one after the other. Fine. Either we can write the operations as a single relational algebra expression by nesting the operations, or we can apply one operation at a time and create intermediate result operations. In the latter case, we must give names to the relations that hold the intermediate results. In the sense, I may write like select, that is sigma operator is used to select. Then I will say whose department number is 4, select such employees. Yes, I may say this. In the next operation select, whose salary is greater than 25,000, select those employees. Yes, like this sequence of operation, first this operation, next this operation, like this sequence of operations we can perform. Or else we can nest this operation. Nesting means what? If, nested if, for, nested for. Nesting means what? One within another. Like this we can nest the operations, or else I can combine the operations using boolean operators. Yes, how? Select department number is equals to 4 and salary is greater than 1000 or 20,000, select such employees. I can combine the operations like this also. We can perform like this different operations which provides some results. Yes, and we might or we must give names to the relations that hold the intermediate results. Fine, I perform this first operation which will give some result over here. I can name it. Then I will utilize this result to take something else out of it. Then I can name here it. Yes, like this whatever the intermediate results we get, those all results we can name it. We can give the names for those results. Yes, for example, I will retrieve the number of employees whose department number is 4. I will get one new relation over there with the list of employees who is working under department number 4. that relation I can name it. That is, I can name it like EMP DEPT. That is the new relation name I'm giving. I'm renaming it. Yes, like this we can give the names for the relations. Sequence of operations and rename operation. Example we are seeing here. Just a minute. Example goes here like this. To retrieve the first name, last name and salary of all the employees who work in department number 5. The employees who are working in department number 5, we want their first name, their last name and their salary. We must apply a select and a project operation. We can write a single relational algebra expression like this. Yes, first we want to select the employees who are working under department number 5. We need to select. To select what we go for select operation, because we put certain condition over there. What condition? Who is working under department number 5. Select those employees. How I may write that? Select, yes, select dnum is equals to 5 from employee relation. Select, this is sigma, selection condition is dno. Dno is my attribute which is present in employee relation. So sigma dno is equals to 5 from employee. From employee you select the employees who are working under department number 5. Fine, I got selected. Some tuples I selected because like those who are working in department number 5, those employees selected. Then what I want their first name, last name and salary of those employees who are working in department number 5. What I want here, I want the attribute of what I want. Like I want a columns here. For these employees, I want their first name, last name, salary. Means these 3 columns I want. If I want those columns to be displayed, which operation I should go for? Select or project? I should go for project over here. Here I selected, here project. Nothing but pi I should use. Yes, pi, f name, l name, salary, sigma dno is equals to 5. First this will be executed. It will select the employees who are working in department number 5, and those employees first name, last name, salary will be displayed. This is how we can perform the operation, or else we can perform like this also. How? We can explicitly show the sequence of operations giving a name to each intermediate relation. I had written here what kind of operation, what kind of relational expression, that is nested. Yes, because one condition within another condition. 2 conditions are involved over there. Now what I am doing, I am separating those conditions and I am forming a new relation. Yes, how I am forming the new relation? Just a minute. If you see this, select d number is equals to 5 employee. Only this condition I am considering. Here symbol is not there. Huh? You just imagine those. Sigma dno is equals to employee. Dno is equals to 5 from employee relation. I will select this. Whatever the tuples I will get, for that I am renaming as dep5 underscore emps. This is the name I am giving. For example, I may get 3 tuples in which the employees details who are working in department number 5. For this, what name I am giving? DEP5 EMPS. The new name I am giving for those tuples. Later on, whichever the tuples which are stored in this particular relation, their first name, last name, salary I want. Means I should perform project operation over here. So whatever stored in this particular thing, from that you select first name, last name, salary, project those, and again I'm storing that in result. Yes, again I'm storing that in result here. Means whatever the operation I perform, I'm storing here. Then whatever I'm performing here, that I'm storing here by renaming it. Yes, like this we can give a name to the specific operation whatever we perform.